Yeah.
All right, well, walk me through this. Let's see what I can do with my niece this Easter week.
Okay, perfect. So this is a wax crayon egg decorating. This is great for smaller kids because it's so exciting. Here you go. You take an egg. You can draw any design.
Smaller kids or 49-year-olds with limited skills in crafting.
So you can draw whatever you would like, and they can write their name or do a little design. And then once you do that, you're going to dip it into the egg dye of your choice. You know, if you have smaller kids, you might want to give them a hand with this. I'm just going to do the little red, and you just want to roll it in there.
Where do you get the wax crayon? Like, I never had a white crayon in my Crayola box.
That's true. Or those are the ones that get broken first, right? Everyone tosses those ones out. But you can get them at the craft store. They're super easy to get. You can hold on to them. They last for a really long time. Just dip it into whichever color you like.
I'm sure we must have a craft store somewhere near where I live.
And then what's really fun about these is once they're dyed, you'll see your magic little drawing appears. So I just did a little heart.
I tried to do a bunny, but yellow doesn't come out too good.
Yeah, and you know what? If you soak it even longer,
yeah,
too,
I'll just let it soak. I'll turn it into a pink bunny.
Perfect. So there's different, ones. Yeah, and they're just really beautiful.
And
you can mix
this is great for small kids.
Perfect for small kids. So moving on over here, this is one that's great for, a little bit older kids or, the whole family. So these are tie-dye eggs.
Groovy.
Very groovy and fun. So what you're gonna do, and you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and put these gloves on because why not?
This always makes me think of the doctor in not a good way.
I know. That's fair enough. So what you're gonna start with is you wanna have your hard-boiled eggs, and then you're going to wrap them in a paper towel with a little rubber band, like so.
Gotcha.
And then you're gonna take your dye, and you're gonna make little dots on the outside. They don't have to be big. And you're just gonna go put them around. They don't have to be perfect either.
Mine's more like
That's okay,
but...
you know what? That's what makes it special.
Yes.
And you're just gonna keep going around whichever color combo you would like until you're all finished. And you don't have to make them touching. It's better if there's kind of some space around here. I love doing this too because it's one of those things that never looks like it's gonna turn out cute, and then
and then you're just like,
look
at that!
Exactly. It's like a surprise every time. And then you're just gonna take your little spray bottle.
Okay.
And you're gonna spray it. Don't splash.
What's in here? Just water, vinegar,
this is just water. You're just gonna really spray till all the colors sort of mix together and you don't see any more white. This is like super splattery. Maybe also we should have put a little piece of paper and done some splatter art on.
This is why I wear black. She didn't know that. She wore white.
Where was my memo?
I know,
Thanks a lot. Okay, so then you are going to just kind of massage it in.
Oh, I forgot the massage.
Give your little egg an Easter massage. There we go. I wish every mom could get an Easter massage. Really, that would be lovely.
That's a good thing to put in mom's Easter egg, kids.
It's true. Okay, then we're gonna unwrap this.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
That's cool.
I have to say, yours is actually much better than mine. Look at you quote-unquote bad crafter.
Look at me getting crafty.